Let's make a ginger daiquiri. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a ginger daiquiri. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're turning on the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink as much as my wife does. I really don't have much to say about this drink, except that my wife loves it, to the point where she was stealing all my ginger syrup and I almost didn't make this video. She's cute, she's my wife, she deserves it. But I have enough, so here the video is. A daiquiri, to me, in order to be a daiquiri, has to have three things. It has to have lime juice, it has to have, that's three things. Lime juice, rum, and sugar. To make a flavored daiquiri, you have to change the flavor of one of those three. Either the lime juice has to change its flavor. I don't think lime juice changes its flavor. The rum has to change flavor, or the sugar. And in this case, I'm using a ginger syrup that I make myself. The recipe is here on the channel if you'd like to check that out. Link will be down below and at the end of the video. A note on the rum. You can make this drink with almost any rum that you like. Because this is a daiquiri, a white rum or Cuban style rum would be perfect in here, but if you want to try a different one, let me know how it works out down below. We are going to shake this drink, and I'm going to start by putting 2 ounces of my white rum into the shaker tin. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Can you get the cap on there? Maybe not. Oh, there it goes. Ginger syrup, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 milliliters of your lime juice. Add your ice and give it a shake. Official glass is going to be a Coupe. I'm going to strain into there. And garnish with a lime wheel. And that's it. A ginger daiquiri. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite flavor of daiquiri? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to try and make it. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available if you want one. You can have one. Contact me through any of the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media links, might as well follow me or subscribe. Do what you need to do. Finally, if you made it this far and you like daiquiris, you like drinks in general, and you like rum drinks in specific, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything I do. Until next time, cheers.